Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Roblox how to upload audio. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to upload audio to Roblox, first what you need to do is understand the requirements. You must have a Roblox premium membership to upload audio. Audio files must be in MP3 or OGZ format. Then maximum file size is 7 MB. Make sure your audio compiles with Roblox community standards. There is no copyrighted or inappropriate sounds. Now in order to upload audio to Roblox, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Roblox, and then once it loads, simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, on the top of the options simply tap on create option. Then once you're inside your create, all you gotta do is select audio from the left menu. Then select choose file button. Then all you gotta do is select your audio file, find and select the MP3 or OGZ file on your phone or computer. Then enter a name for your audio. Then simply click on the upload button and wait for a few minutes for Roblox to process the audio. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.